evening or late afternoon. Another unboxing video. I just got home from work and this package was waiting for me. It's a bit big to fit in the video screen, so I'm just going to open it. It's come from one of my favourite suppliers, and that's Caliber Books online. I got quite a bit of stuff from them. Mainly because they quite often offer free postage and quick delivery. So let's just move this off the table and find out what's inside. So here we are, the brand new Victrix African Ware Elephant, and I've got 2 packs. These have just been released. Caliber were expecting them a week or 2 ago, but I think delivery to them has taken a little bit longer, perhaps because it's taken about 3 weeks from placing the order to get these. But here they are, hot off the press. I bought these obviously for my ancient wargaming armies, which I've still to start. But having bought some of the Victrix Romans, I couldn't resist getting some Ware Elephants. Always, or for the last few years, had a special interest in elephants because my middle daughter is actually an elephant keeper at a safari park. So we've seen these creatures quite close on special access days with my daughter. Anyway, this is the kit. So you get 2 elephants and 16 highly detailed models, with crew options for Carthaginian, Numidian, Roman and Ptolemaic crews. So Victrix have gone away from the boxes of late to these plastic bag packs, and you don't get a instruction sheet anymore. You just get a list of bits and pieces on the back. It tells you which bit belongs to which nation. Anyway, so let's just open it up and have a look at the actual kit. So 4 sprues, 2 crew sprues and 2 elephant sprues. And here are the elephants. So 2 halves. And then you get 2 trunk configurations. 1 curled and 1 not curled. Then we get the is it the howdah that crew sits in. A couple of quivers full of bits and pieces, and the African elephant ears. Oh, they're the tusks. I wonder what they were for a minute. The elephant tusks and the ears. And then we get some cloth, I don't know what they are, streamers or something or other, and some shields. So I guess they fix to the howdah. So that's the elephants, 2 of those, and then the crew. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the rider. And then we get a selection of arms, and then the heads and helmets. And some more helmets. And some more. So quite a nice selection of different heads and helmets. Various arms. Then we've got some helmet accoutrements. Spears and javelin thingies. So there we have it. Some nice detailing on the figures. Usual Victrix standard, which is usually very high. Good detailing. Lots of folds in the clothes. Muscle details on the legs and arms. So I think those are going to look really good. So I've got 4 of those. I'm not sure which units I'll make them up in. Probably one of them will be Roman, but the others might be maybe Carthaginian. We'll see. So that's it. The Victrix African Ware Elephants, hot off the press and just arrived. Thanks for watching.